Today we are unboxing the Avalon Smart Energy Panel, sometimes known as Avalon SEP. So when you get the Avalon Smart Energy Panel, we open up the box. Upon removing the packages, you will notice this paper that lets you know what you are getting inside of the Avalon Smart Energy Panel. The Avalon Smart Energy Panel is a self-contained system, so there isn't much in the box, but this is letting you know what you will receive. So you have your Smart Energy Panel, and then you get your mounting hardware. You get your wall anchors, and you get your wall screws. And that's it for the Avalon Smart Energy Panel. However, if you have any questions about Fortress Power products, one thing that we have done that I know you will appreciate is on each one of the Avalon components, there is a QR code that will take you to Fortress Power products. Thank you for viewing the Avalon Smart Energy Panel unboxing. And we would like for you to like and subscribe to tune in for more information.